Alright, this is 5.6 problem set, and we're just going to do a couple here. Not going to spend much time on this because I just did a whole bunch of examples in the last one, but let's see, let's take 63. 12x to the fourth power y squared plus 36x cubed y cubed plus 27x squared y to the fourth. Alright, first thing we're going to do is see if there's anything we can factor. So 2 times 2 times 3 x to the fourth y squared plus 2 times 2 times 3 times 3x cubed y cubed plus 3 times 3 times 3x squared y to the fourth. Alright, what do I have common here, here, and here? Let's see. I don't have any 2's here at all, so I can't pull a 2 out. I have 1, 3 here. I've got 2 there and 3 there, but I can only pull one of them out. Alright, so I pull the one out. Let's see what happens here. That means I'm left with a 4 here. I'm left with that one and that one, so 4 times 3 is 12. And I'm left with this one and this one, which is 9. That doesn't look very pretty. Okay, so let's see what I can pull out as far as my x's are concerned. So I have 2 here, so that's the most I can pull out as an x squared. And that leaves me with 4x squared y squared plus 12x. So I pulled 2 of them out. I have 1 left. I don't have any left here. Alright, now let's look and see what I've got for y's. I've got 2 there. I'm going to take 2 of them out of there, leaving me 1. 2 of them out of there, leaving me 2. So 3x squared y squared Okay, so that's what I'm left with. Let's see, can I do anything else with that? Okay, and again, this is just a lot of stuff to remember, and I don't expect you to remember this, but if you take the square root of that, which is 2, square root of that, which is 3, multiply those two together, and double it, do I get that number? If I do, then I can factor that. So 3x squared y squared, and I get square root of that, square root of that, and I get a plus sign between there. Okay? And this is squared. So this is, gosh, that's a few lessons ago, but we did that. So you can take a square root of the first term, square root of the second term, multiply them, and then double them. And if you get the middle term, then it cranks into something like that. Okay, so basically that's it for 5.6. I am expecting this to give you some trouble. It should, because there is a ton of stuff to remember here as far as factoring is concerned. And as you get going in math further and further down the road, this stuff will become a little bit easier for you because you'll remember it. But right now it's just going to be a struggle, so just work through it.